High winds raise the risk of tipping over for semi-truck drivers. And while today's gusts are getting back to normal, we know it won't be the only day we deal with high winds. KETV News Watch 7's Beth Carlson shows us how truck drivers are dealing with those dangerous conditions.
Workers at this truck stop in Council Bluffs say they see more truck traffic in conditions like these with high winds and cold temperatures. Truck drivers we spoke to say this can create dangerous driving conditions like Wednesday. It's a battle for every driver.
Be safer, be cautious on certain things. Trust me, it gets a little hairy.
Powerful gusts can make truck driving especially dangerous. The National Weather Service reported winds up to 59 miles per hour at Eppley Airfield Wednesday.
And that wind, it's going to pull that truck right over.
Last week, the Iowa State Patrol confirmed a semi-truck driver died after strong winds made him lose control on I-80. Wednesday, 2 overturned semis along I-35 caused backups.
It's extremely windy and hazardous, and if you're light, I wouldn't be on the road. Might as well just park it because it's going to roll over.
But it's not just truck drivers who need to watch out. One tow truck driver says all winter weather, like the Arctic blast expected this weekend, can ramp up the risk.
I'd say the cold side of it, because if you don't have the additives, you break down, you're going to get cold. You know, the weather conditions being in a ditch or something like that, you know, it's going to make it cold.
He says between the threat of snow, winds, and freezing temps, it's the busiest time of year.
Try your best to stay warm. We'll get to you guys as soon as we can.
This weekend will be no exception for winter weather. A dangerous cold is expected to hit the metro and southwest Iowa Friday into Saturday. In Council Bluffs, Beth Carlson, KETV News Watch 7.